Hey friends, this is Malvika Prasoon back with the channel. Today I'm going to review two products from Vadi Herbal. So without any delay we will start. So the products are essential oils. The first one is pure lemongrass and lily oil. This is the one. And the second one is pure lavender oil and almond oil. So I have used this more than this. This is a new one and I tried it and it feels good. And about the packaging, it is a good packaging and travel friendly also. And about price, these are for 65 rupees. We will get 50 ml of product. So this is cheap and best, I must say that. So the first one, pure lemongrass and lily oil, smells more to the lemongrass smell, and after application the smell will stay for 15 to 20 minutes. After that it will fade away. And about this lavender and almond oil, it is a smell of lavender we will get, and it is in the same case. And these oils are transparent, as you can see here. It is transparent and it doesn't make the skin greasy at all. So we will check what it claims and I will give the honest review about each and every point. The first I'm gonna review is this pure lemongrass and lily oil, and it claims to be increases the blood circulation. It does, and it repairs dry and sun damaged skin. It moisturizes the skin very well, but I'm not sure about this repairing of sun damaged skin because I have used only for 1 month. It does not give me that effect, so I'm not sure about it. Maybe it will give the effect in long-term usage. And strengthens bones and removes skin blemishes and dark skin patches. It does not. Aromatherapy oils reduce stress, headache, cold and cough. It does, because it is very good for stress relieving. And you can apply this oil if you have cold or cough. You can apply this before sleep and it will give the relief. And the key ingredients are olive oil, lily oil, vitamin E, lemongrass oil. So the next one is this lavender and almond oil. It claims to relax the muscles and makes the skin smooth and soft. It does. Stops premature aging and wrinkling. I'm not sure about it because I have been using this for 6 months and I don't have any wrinkles, so I'm not sure about it. I'm so sorry. And aromatherapy oils reduce stress and depression, enhance deep sleep and create a healthy nervous system. About healthy nervous system, I'm not sure, but the other things are true because it will give a very good sleep and it will reduce the stress, and everything is true. And the key ingredients are almond oil, mangista extract, aroma lavender oil and cedarwood oil. That's it. So I'm going to discuss the pros and cons of this essential oil. First of all, I'm going to give the pros. It is cheap and best because we are only spending 65 rupees for 50 ml of product. So it is very affordable and easily available also. The product is not greasy at all and it hydrates the skin very well. And it gives relief from stress, cold, cough and all. And it is travel friendly also. So overall it's a best buy. And only the cons are it does not satisfy all its claims, and also the lemongrass oil smell is a little strong, so everybody may not like this. That's it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, hit button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button down there so that you will get notified when I upload new videos. And if you have any suggestion, comments, queries, you can put it in the comment box below. And this is Malvika Prasoon signing off. Take care. Bye bye.